Let's use branches from your tree or garden to wrap gifts. Prepare two different pieces of paper. The paper width, one side is about halfway and the other side covers the width of box. The height is slightly longer than the top and the bottom. Fold the right edge of the paper slightly. Place the box on the paper. Align the right edge of the paper with the left corner of the box. Make a crease between these 2 points. The top is the center of the width, and a little over a quarter the height of the box. Turn over the paper and fold it along the crease to the other side. Leaving half an inch, cut off the excess paper. The secondary paper size is the same height as the outer paper and twice the width of the box. Fold the right edge slightly. Then make another wide crease. Flip the paper over and pinch the crease to create pleats on the front side of the paper. Make another wide crease and continue making 2 more pleats in the same way. As the Japanese pleated wrapping way, pleats should be made right to left with an odd number for any happy occasions. Now it's 4, but no worries, it will be added 1 more later to make it for a happy odd number. Stick regular tape on the back of the paper to secure the pleats in place. Place the paper on the box, line up the left edge with the corner, then fold at the right corner. Remove the box and fold the paper along the creases. Leaving half an inch, cut off the excess paper. Apply regular tape to secure the crease. Now, attach 2 pieces of paper together with double-sided tape. Align the left edges of both pieces of paper. Place the box under the paper. Line up the edge of the paper with the left corner of the box. Make a sharp crease in the right corner, then wrap the paper around. Close with the right side on top, which is also for a happy occasion. Wrap tightly and make a sharp crease on each corner. Close the paper with double-sided tape. Make sure the top corner lines up with a half and half point as you can see. Turn the box over. Close the box from the bottom first. Fold the sides inwards. Make sure to fold each corner all the way in. Do the same on the other side. Fold in the pleats together. Fold down on the top tab. Cut off excess paper. Fold up on the bottom tab and crease the top corner. Fold at the crease, then close with double-sided tape. Make sharp corners. Before starting the other side, press the box down to the bottom to tighten. For the top side, it will be easier to make it stand. And close it in the same way. Now you have 5 odd number pleats for happy occasions. Let's add ribbon. Make 1 loop and the tail with a ribbon on the right end. Release it but hold the point and place it here. Leave the short end on the upper side. Take the longer end and wrap around the box. On the front, make it turn left at that point. Wrap the long end ribbon around the box horizontally. Longer end should be under the shorter end. Right shorter end goes over and through under the cross point. Pull firmly to the top right corner. Place a few branches from your tree or garden at the cross point. Squeeze the branches, then make a bow together like this. To tighten the bow, pull the top of the left loop and the bottom of the right loop. Trim the tails. Let's add another bow. Pass the right end ribbon under the vertical ribbon. Wrap the ribbon horizontally below the first ribbon like this. First, cross the ribbon and slide it under the vertical ribbon. Then make a bow with the branches and the vertical ribbon together. Tie the branch into vertical ribbon with different color ribbon, then make a bow. Here you go. Happy present.